Question 5 and 23. Was a company repairing a railway line? As part of this work, it's laying new railway tracks. €12,000 to lay 240 meters. So how much would it cost to lay 320? So there's many different ways to do this. So if 12,000 equals 240, to get 1 we divide by 240. So that would be €50 for 1 meter. So multiplying by 320. 50 by 320 will be 320 meters. So that will be €16,000. It would take 6 people 8 days to replace the track. Well, 6 people working for 8 days is 48 days of labor required. So that will be 1 person would take 48 days. 2 people would have it done in 24. 3 people would have it done in 16. 4 people would have it done in 12. And that's what we get to 4 people. So it's going to be 12 days to replace it with 4 people. Part B is a distance, speed, time question. Towns A and B. Here they are. They're 120 kilometers apart. Diagrams do help. So a train travels from A to B at an average speed of 180. So we have the distance of 120 and we have speed, or average speed, of 180. Write down the time it takes in hours as a fraction. So your distance, speed, time triangle tells you that distance is speed by time. Speed is distance over time, and time is distance over speed. So we're looking for time is distance over speed, which is 120 over 180, which is 12 over 18, which is 2/3 of an hour, which is 40 minutes. On the way back from B to A, the train travels at an average speed of 220. Well, we can get the time taken to do that. If the distance is 220, the distance is the same, 120, and the speed is 220. The time taken is distance over speed. 120 over 220 simplifies to be 6 over 11. That doesn't divide evenly into 60, so I might leave them as fractions when I'm working out the overall. So the overall average speed is what we're looking for here, the average speed. So the distance is 240. And the time taken is 2/3 of an hour plus 6/11 of an hour. So over 33, that will be 22 and 18. 40 over 33. So speed is equal to distance over time, which is equal to 240 divided by 40 over 33, which would be 6 times 33, which would be 198 kilometers an hour. Just let your calculator do it for you. 198 kilometers an hour for the average speed in kilometers per hour. So question 5.